In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up workflows. Workflows let you automate almost anything under the sun. If you want to follow along, this workflow is totally free to build and to use. You could go to usecarly.com and do this with me. We're going to start on the Workflows tab. Here you can see I have all my existing workflows, and we're going to press New Workflow. There are a bunch of templates that we can use, and this is what we'll use today. I'm going to set up an email tracker that will just log every email I receive and send on a Google Sheet. And any of the workflows that have no AI means they are totally free to run and to use. Then you can view preview of one email you might receive. This is just to make sure it's working. Now we have to decide what our sheet will look like. So here, if we press the Google Sheet, it will load all of our spreadsheets. So I've already created one called Email Tracker, so I'm going to choose this. And it will now look at the columns on that spreadsheet and pre-populate this. So these are things I've already asked Carly to add for me. Now we can just write in what we want in the tracker. So with received at, I do want the date, the sender name. We could see all the different fields we can populate with, and then we could go down here and find, okay, so that's the sender name, and then the email, sender email. Now we can log the subject as well. And the preview, we can either do the actual preview, which is just a snippet of the email, or we can choose the full message body. In this case, I'm just gonna do the preview because I don't wanna see the entire thing. It's fine to just have the first couple hundred characters. And here, these are some optional things I've added to the sheet, but for the purposes of this, I don't think I want these on the Google Sheet. So we can press test again, and it will show me now what the sheet will look like. And it's really as simple as that. Now we name the workflow. I'll call this Email Demo Tracker, and it's done. Now, if we go back to see our workflows, here it is, but it says never run. And why is it never run? It's because I have not received an email in the past minute. So what we can do is press run now. What run now does is it looks at the most recent email and applies the same rules to it. So we're gonna press that, and it is now running. Okay, and it ran, so let's see what it happens. Now we can press details and see, okay, it says success, and everything worked. So now let's go and find the actual email tracker, which I've pulled up right here. And as you can see, the email was just tracked on the run now. And any future emails I get are now gonna show up here. This was a pretty simple workflow. There are literally millions of possibilities you can build with the Workflow Builder, or you can ask Carly, the AI assistant, to do it for you. It can connect with any of the apps that you use. Super simple, incredibly powerful, and most of the workflows are 100% free to use and run forever.